Hey besties! I am so excited because today we are unboxing Colorful July's seasonal Christmas box. And if you have not tried their seasonal boxes, you are truly missing out. So starting off, you always get a little welcome card, which I absolutely love. It has their socials on the back of it. You can scan the QR code, which I will hold up so you can snap a shot and get that discount code in there too. Be sure to take advantage of that. And then we have these very cute little, they're like tags, like Christmas tags. But I think they would be cute hanging on a Christmas tree or even in like the back of your pictures, your nail pictures. It'd be super cute. All right, so let's get into it. I love their boxes. They are so good. And they're all kind of different. Like not every box is going to be the same, which I really like. All right, so a quick sneak peek. You ready? All right, scan quick because you're only getting a sec. All right, so the first item in the box is a bunch of very cute stickers. I love these textured ones. They're like 5D stickers. Look at how cute, the little icicles and the ones that look like pearls. Very cute. Then we got some like little leaf ones, some like pine tree, pine cones, winter vibes. You got the little icicle ones. These ones are so cute. They got the little snowflakes. They're really hard to see, but they're little snowflakes. And then you got the penguins. I love penguins. Penguins were always one of my favorite animals at the zoo. They are so stinking cute. And then we got these other really cute ones with the Christmas trees, little gingerbread man, snowman, the moose. You got Santa Claus. Very cute stickers. The next item is some little color swatches. These ones are really cool. They're little glass, like almost like flat marbles. Very cute little swatches. These are beautiful. I love that it comes with the two different tones of pearl. You have that more like eggshell antique look of the pearl, and then you have the brilliant white pearls. So pretty. Then we got some little gold embellishments. There's some different little stars in here. A very cute little mix of stars. And see, you can kind of see the different ones in there. Very cute, though. The next item up is some Christmas seasonal glitters. And we got snowflakes, there's Christmas trees, there's all sorts of different little shapes. You got some 4-pointed stars in there. Very cute little glitter mix. I am a sucker for the seasonal glitter mixes. Then we got some more very pretty glitters. Those blue with like the aquamarine and green. Beautiful. Then you got the, traditional green glitters. And they are different sizes. Some have the bigger hexagon shapes, and then you got the finer ones. These purple and green ones would have been beautiful for last month for Halloween, but they are still beautiful even this month. I love purple, so it will always win my heart over. So yeah, you can see here we have the finer ones on the left, and then you have the lighter green ones with like the different hexagonal shapes in it. We got some very bright red glitter. That one's very pretty. We have another one with more of like an orangish gold undertone. Got another more of like a reflective red with a little bit of gold in it. Very pretty. This one is super pretty. It's red, but it's got like silverish white reflex in it. Super pretty glitter. The next item up is some charms. These are super cute. Got this very cute little dangly bell. I kind of wish there would have been two of these, but I will settle with the one because it is super cute. Isn't that beautiful? Then we got the bells, the little reindeer. It's so little and cute. Look at the little candle too. I am obsessed with these charms. I've never seen any like this. I love that candle. Then you got the little snowflake, another little reindeer head. Very cute little charms. The next item, I was so excited about this because I have been needing some good brush cleaner for a hot minute. And I will show you kind of how to use this towards the end of the video, but this stuff is a godsend. If you do not own brush cleaner, highly recommend getting some. The next item up we have is a potted gel by the brand Mowbray, I believe is how you pronounce it. And look at how pretty this little pot is. I've never seen a pot like this before. I love it. Very aesthetically pleasing. So this is a very pretty, like pearlish iridescent color. It is very sheer, but I think this would look so pretty over pretty much any color. Will kind of give you a different effect, which I really like about gels like this. See, you kind of can see that iridescent shift. The next item up is another gel polish. This is by that same brand. And look at how pretty their bottles are too. They did very nicely on their packaging for their bottles and stuff. I love these. Look at how pretty that yellow is. Their brushes are really nice too. They are the rounded brushes, which I really like. And that was a 10 ml bottle. So the next item we have is a solid canned rubber, which it looks like a gel polish. It is thicker, but I believe it could technically be a rubber base coat. It does have, like I said, that thicker consistency. I just don't know what you would really use a purple rubber base coat for. But either way, it's a very beautiful color. And then our next item is another one of those solid canned rubbers, but this one is a very pretty, like deeper red. I love deeper reds like this. Beautiful colors. And then we have another gel polish by that same Mowbray brand. It's number 39, and it is another very, very pretty deep red. You know, I was actually pleasantly surprised with the colors that I got in this box because I know they can be random, but I feel like the colors that I got in the bottles like this went so good together, and you will see what I mean as I unbox more of this. So the next item up is another gel polish, and this one is a super pretty green. It's like that perfect evergreen tree green, you know what I mean? Perfect for a Christmas tree, which that yellow would be perfect for the star on top, and then you got the red. Perfect colors together, I think. And then we got another gel polish. This one is a white. Can never go wrong with too many whites, that's for sure. The next item we have is a cuticle oil, and oh my goodness, does this cuticle oil smell good. This has to be one of the best smelling cuticle oils I have ever had, and it works so good. You do not need much of this at all. Like when I first put it on, I put on way too much because it goes a long way. It moisturizes beautifully as well. Highly, highly recommend this. I believe they do sell this singly on their website as well. I will look and try and leave it linked below. But yeah, it smells amazing. So good. Probably one of my favorite items in the box. And this was the brand that it was by. And then the next item we have up is some liner brushes. I really, really, really like these brushes. I love how slim they are. I love the purple on the handles and stuff. But I like the way the caps go on as well. They are nice and snug, so you know your cap's gonna stay on. So we have a 30mm brush. Very long brush. I don't think I've ever seen a 30mm brush, to be honest. And then we got a 7mm, a little guy. Perfect for getting those little details. And I'm definitely going to be using these. These seem like really good brushes. Then we got our 15 millimeter. And yeah, you can kind of see there's like I don't know, it's like silicone around the cap, so it just goes on so nicely. Then we have the signature 25 millimeter is normally what I would see for a long liner brush. So that 30 millimeter one, perfect for super long nails. And then we have the 20 millimeter brush. Very nice brushes. And then the final item in the box, they always throw in something that is not nail related, which I love. And I was super excited when I opened this, actually. My kids were trying to steal my goods from me, you guys. And the final item is socks. You can never go wrong with too many socks, though, am I right? Especially new socks. They're always the best. And I really liked these ones. They were nice and soft. So you got some really cute little reindeer one with trees. Got ones that say Merry Christmas. Got some Santa ones, and the beard is super soft. Got these ones. Happy New Year. Very cute. Like I said, they are very soft feeling. And then we got some more that say Merry Christmas. Very cute. So 5 pairs of socks. And yeah, my boys were all over these trying to steal them. No way, Jose. All right, so I am going to go ahead and swatch all these colors for you guys. I will let you guys just enjoy watching me swatch these, and I will pop back in at the end. And if you guys are enjoying the video so far, if you could leave the video a like, it helps me out so much. And if you are feeling generous, leave a comment below on what you thought about this box, and subscribe if you are not already. Again, it helps me out more than you know, and thank you to all who have subscribed and continue to show support. I really appreciate you all, and I love making videos for you guys and sharing all this stuff with you. So a big thank you.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here they are double coated, and see what I mean? Don't those go beautifully together for Christmas time? I love these. They are so pretty, and they self-leveled beautifully. So here is all the colors that came in the mystery box, all double coated. I really like the colors that came in these. The reds are a little bit similar, but again, very beautiful colors. I think most of these are perfect for Christmas time. You could even incorporate the purple as like little decorations and stuff on the tree, you know, but very beautiful colors. They worked great opacity for the ones that, you know, are supposed to have the better coverage. So again, I really enjoyed them. And then to show you guys how I use my brush cleaner, so I will put a little drop of the brush cleaner on like a palette or something and just kind of work it through the brush. And do you see how much came out of that? I had cleaned this brush. So when you sit there and push the brush cleaner through it, it's gonna just push all the colors that are stuck in your brush to the top of the brush. Look at that. Once you've worked it through the brush really good and you can see it all built up sitting on top of your brush, you're going to want to wipe it off very lightly, kind of like just float the gel off the brush, if that makes sense. You don't want to pinch it to pull it off, because then you're going to push that color and that stuff that you just pulled out right back into the brush. So see, you'll softly just kind of wipe it off. And you do this like, you know, 2 to 3, maybe even 4 times, depending on what colors you used prior, pretty much until you're not seeing anything come out of the brush. And then once you've got it to that clean point, then you can kind of do the thing where you pinch it to wipe it off to get all the brush cleaner and everything out of the brush. And it will leave it just nice and flat and perfectly cleaned. See how much is still coming out? That's crazy. And this is my 4th go right here cleaning the brush. I think this is the final time I will clean it, and then I will do the thing again where I pinch it to pull it clean.
I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to change.
So here is a once over again of everything that came in the seasonal Christmas box. I loved this box. I love their seasonal boxes. I think they are great. They do seasonal, they do monthly. They even have like smaller monthly boxes if you don't want to get as many items, which I think is great as well. I really enjoyed everything in here. That brush cleaner was like a bonus for me for sure. That cuticle oil, I loved all the gels, the way that they kind of worked together. The glitters were beautiful, the charms. It just all was a really good mystery box, all in all. I will leave all this stuff listed down below, along with my discount code again if you didn't catch that at the beginning. So be sure to check the description for all that information. And that is it for this one, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!